Mahi, a 23-year-old teacher, demonstrated exemplary leadership and composure during a potential crisis that could have easily escalated into chaos. It was an ordinary day of teaching, filled with the usual enthusiasm and interaction with her students, when the unexpected happened. The fire alarm went off. The shrill sound of the alarm could have easily triggered panic among the young students, but Mahi's response was nothing short of heroic. Upon hearing the alarm, Mahi immediately understood the gravity of the situation. Her first instinct was to ensure the safety of her students, which she did with remarkable calmness. Maintaining a serene demeanor, she quickly yet calmly instructed her students to form a line. Her composed instructions played a crucial role in preventing any sense of panic among the children, who looked up to her for guidance and reassurance. Mahi's next step was to lead her students to the nearest exit. Despite the potential danger and the natural urge to rush, she ensured that the evacuation was orderly. She guided her students through the corridor, continuously checking to make sure no one was left behind or strayed from the line. Her attentiveness and careful supervision were critical in maintaining order during the evacuation process. Upon reaching the exit, Mahi did not let her guard down. She continued to shepherd her students, ensuring they were a safe distance away from the building. She led them to the designated assembly point, a location predetermined for such emergencies. At the assembly point, Mahi's organizational skills shone brightly. She quickly took a head count to ensure that every student was accounted for, meticulously checking the names against her attendance list. This thorough approach ensured that no child was left behind or unaccounted for. Throughout the ordeal, Mahi's calm demeanor and strict adherence to safety protocols were instrumental in ensuring a smooth and safe evacuation. Her ability to remain composed under pressure set a powerful example for her students and colleagues alike. Her actions not only safeguarded the physical well-being of her students but also provided them with a sense of security and stability in a potentially frightening situation. In conclusion, Mahi's handling of the fire alarm incident highlights the importance of calm leadership and the effective implementation of safety protocols. Her quick thinking and composed actions ensured a safe evacuation, preventing panic and ensuring the well-being of her students. Mahi's heroism on that day is a testament to the vital role that teachers play not only in education but also in ensuring the safety and security of their students.